Hello everyone. Deep in the South Atlantic Ocean lies a place where a massive human industry once existed. There were factories, ships, a church, a post office, and hundreds of people who called this remote place home. But today there are no people left. Only rust-covered machines, abandoned ships, and massive whale bones remain. It looks like a forgotten ghost town hidden in a frozen world. This place is called Grytviken. Located on South Georgia Island, Grytviken was once one of the world's most important whaling stations. It was established in 1904 by Norwegian explorers who came to this remote corner of the world. From 1906 to 1965, whales were hunted here and processed for oil production. At its peak, hundreds of workers lived and worked in this small valley, surrounded by harsh Antarctic conditions. Huge ships brought whales from the ocean, while factories operated day and night to extract valuable oil. But behind this industrial success was a devastating impact on nature. Overhunting caused whale populations to decline dramatically. Today, the journey toward Antarctica takes us through the waters surrounding South Georgia. All around us are enormous icebergs, reminding us that we are entering one of the most remote regions on Earth. These floating mountains of ice are not just beautiful, they represent the incredible power of nature. Some icebergs may appear small above the water, but beneath the surface lies a massive hidden world of ice. This region is also connected to one of history's most famous maritime disasters, the sinking of the Titanic after hitting an iceberg. And through this frozen landscape, we move closer to the mysterious abandoned settlement of Grytviken. On the way to Grytviken, we reach St. Andrews Bay. This location is home to one of the largest king penguin colonies on Earth. Nearly 150,000 pairs of king penguins live and breed in this incredible place. From a distance, the beach looks like it is covered with thousands of tiny soldiers standing together. They watch visitors with curiosity, as if they belong to a completely different world. Few places on Earth can compare to this sight. It feels like a kingdom created entirely by nature. Finally, we arrive at Grytviken. In the distance, the remains of a massive abandoned factory appear. Rusting tanks, broken machines, and old ships still stand as reminders of a forgotten era. Once this was a powerful industrial center where whale processing continued every single day. Today, the abandoned station has become a home for fur seals, elephant seals, and many species of penguins. The most surprising part is that the animals once hunted here are now returning to reclaim this land. Nature has slowly taken back what once belonged to it. Around Grytviken, enormous whale bones are scattered across the landscape. From a distance, they look like fallen tree trunks, but they are the remains of some of the largest creatures on Earth. These bones reveal just how massive these whales once were. Old chains, abandoned ships, and forgotten equipment tell the story of a difficult and painful chapter in history. These whaling ships once ruled the ocean. Today, they remain frozen in time as silent pieces of history. Grytviken is not only known for its whaling history, it is also the final resting place of legendary explorer Ernest Shackleton. He became famous for his 1914 Imperial Trans-Antarctic expedition. His courage and determination to explore the unknown, icy wilderness made him a symbol of adventure. Shackleton died in South Georgia in 1922 and was buried here, where his grave remains today. People from around the world still travel here to pay their respects. Grytviken teaches us an important lesson. No matter how powerful human industries become, nature's strength will always be greater. A place that was once a center of whale hunting has now transformed into a sanctuary for wildlife. This abandoned town is not just a story from the past, it is a warning for the future. Grytviken, a living piece of history, standing alone in the heart of the South Atlantic.